Hey, it's TR back with another truck camper restoration video, and today we're working on the LED strip lights and the switches I'm going to use to provide light in the rear compartments. Yeah, it's just a little extra. It's not necessary, but I thought it'd be nice, and since I had the skin off, I could easily run the wires, and so that's what we're doing. But I got to pigtail these out, so I'm going to add some pigtails to these. I'm going to solder some wires to these so I can kind of hook everything up in the compartment. This is just a simple switch. Roller switch, 3 pins. One is normally open and one is normally closed. I've got 2 strips here, one for each compartment, all tangled up. These things are waterproof. Okay, they've got a silicone coating on them, and we need to get into those terminals. So we're just going to carefully work our way underneath this silicone from the back here. And if you're really careful, and if you look real careful, you can see how I've gotten underneath that. And now I'm just carefully peeling this back a little ways. Okay, and I'm staying right on top of the metal strip that is the LED strip itself. We're getting there. I want to come back to about here. There. And now we have our terminals exposed. See? Alright, now we just come in here with the helping hands. Boink. Bring these over. Now let's go to some wire. I'm going to use red for positive. Okay, actually, let's use black for positive because that's the way the rest of the thing is wired. I only need about a 4-inch pigtail, so we're just going to grab that. I'm going to go ahead and wire a pigtail onto the normally open position. It could work as a security system, a door prop security system. So I'm going to go ahead and just terminate that up. I'll just put a little one on there. It'll be easier to do with it off. And then that'll be for future use. Let's get these stripped up here real quick. This stripper is way old, but it still works wonderfully. Alright, we'll just go ahead and strip this other end too. Alright. Okay, so we got things together here. Okay. Now, this is just flux. It'll help the solder flow, if it even works. Get a little flux on there. Let's get this out here. Okay, let's tin this tip up here a little bit. So I'm just going to tin this up. Get a good amount of solder on there. There we go. Alright. Carefully. Let's make sure that stays lined up. Shouldn't take much. Okay, that should do it. Get the white one on there. Oh, we want to leave that hooked up here, just sitting back there like that. Get the white one on here. Let's put a big old ball of solder on there. Test it real quick. There we go. Working good. Looks like I'm going to be hating it for heat shrink for this. I don't know if this will work or not. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's going to work. So I'm just going to heat shrink on there. Let's get this other one set up. This is my hot air blower. It works perfect for heat shrink. Once it's set to it, I'll be hot enough. I could use some more heat. Taking advantage of our helping hands so I can get the just going to go ahead and do these one at a time. Alright, okay, that's that. Then I need the blue and the black. Okay, those will be fine now. Flux root. Oh. Cooled way off. Really have never really appreciated the cord on this thing. All looking good. Excellent. Except I forgot my heat shrink on pin 1. Well, that's what happens. I'm not going to bother unsoldering it. I'm just going to go ahead and put heat shrink on these other two. This size will be fine. And it is, and I don't need that much, so I'll just let's heat those up, shrink them. So in 10 minutes or so, I've shown you how to terminate onto an exterior LED strip. Strip the silicone off, solder our pigtails to it. And we're going to install this special switch. This is special to mine, but it is what it is. Now, let's see what we got here. I thought it was going to work. I heard it. Oh, I don't have it plugged in. Okay, so it seems to be happy now. Okay. That would be what the condition would be if the door is open. Should have the light strip on. When the door closes, this switch gets depressed and the light switch goes off. So that's it. If you found value in this video, give me that thumbs up. Always appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Ring the notification bell. For now, it's time to go. Thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Till we get together for another truck camper restoration video. Peace.